Hey traders, let's get into these levels for today. So today is Tuesday, April 22nd. Market opens in about 24 minutes. And right now we're currently almost dead center of two levels that we need to be paying attention to. And depending on what the market actually does at these levels at the next hourly close will pretty much determine if personally, if I enter the market or not. So if we're expecting to see any continuation towards the downside, we need to see the market close at the 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern time on the 4 hour below this 17,875 level. And if we're going to go up, for like a really good setup, as far as going up, we need to close above this 18,277. So those are the two levels that need to be paid attention to. Even though we did get this rejection here last night, we had a level here that we marked out, and the market broke below with this candle, and then the very immediate candle closed back up above. This candle confirmed and retested. So just based upon that, it could be coming up to this line here, but what happens at the New York Open, carries more weight than what happens, at the close or whatever, or other periods of the day. So just keep that in mind as you're trading the levels, and just know that depending on what we do, we may have a great setup or not. We had the setup here. We came down to this level, wigged through just a little bit, bounced at the 17.7 level, and then have been having a recovery where we haven't broke the low of any of these candles since. So that's definitely one thing to pay attention to there. It's definitely one thing to pay attention to there. If we finally get a break of one of the lows of the previous 4 hour candles, that could be a sign that we may want to do something, but I wouldn't be surprised with how bearish we were if we did simply just come back down and close below this level for that 10 a.m. time. I wouldn't be surprised at all. But if we just simply stay in the middle of this range, then I'm not going to take any trades today, as I just noticed when I try to create an idea within the range itself without that overall context of the level being either broken or rejected, or whatever the case is, I don't do as well trading. There's ways to find setups and all that fun stuff, which, the thing about trading is you don't want to just simply be finding setups. You want to be confident in what you're doing. And if I don't have that confidence, then what's the point? At that point, it's just kind of just gambling. What makes this a little bit different than gambling is you can have confidence in what you're doing and it playing out based upon what you need to look for. So those are the levels to pay attention to. Again, we have level up here at 18,265.50, or you can call it 18,265, whatever, or you could look at this level down here at 17,875. And if we're able to close in the next hour below this level, then I'll be taking a short. I'm not sure where I'll be taking a short to just yet, but could be to fill this gap here. There could be simply to down at this liquidity level of this wick down here. Overall, I can see if we start to get down below some of these levels, if we do maintain price action below this level on the 4 hour, if we're able to maintain price below this 17,875 level, I can totally see us eventually dropping down to the 16.9 level, somewhere between 17,000 and 16.9, but that's with confirmation. It's not something I'm just going to just blindly hope for. I'm going to need to see the market actually confirm that. So that's the outlook for today, and let's see what we're able to do in the market today. You guys have a great day trading today, and I'll see you tomorrow morning.